Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable button sound effects for your party box JBL Encore Essential. You have to start by open the application, now scroll down and click on product settings. And right here we have feedback tone, so right now I have enable button sound effect, but if I click here I will disable it, or if I again click here I will enable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.